I will not show you solution of this question. At last, I will show solution of this question. If the cost of 37 pen and 53 pencil together is 320, while 53 pen and 37 pencil together cost is 400, the cost of two pencil is answer C 13 rupees. The sum of two digit number and the number formed by interchanging its digit is 110 is 110. If 10 rupees is if 10 is subtracted from the first number, the new number is 4. Then 5 times the sum of the digit in the first number is answer B 64. The denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twins the numerator. When both the numerator and denominator are decreased by 6, then the denominator becomes 6 become 12 times the numerator. Then the fraction is answer A 17 by 18. 10 years ago, father was 12 times as old as his son. After 10 years, father will twice as old of his son. Then the present age of father is answer A 34 years. A boat move 32 kilometer upstream and 36 kilometer downstream in 7 hours. Also, it cover 40 kilometer upstream and 48 km downstream in 9 hours. The speed of the boat in still water is answer B 10 km. On selling a tea set at 5% loss and lemon set at 50% gain, a crockery seller gain a total of 7 rupees if he sell the tea set at 5% gain and lemon set at 5% gains 10% gain. He gained 30 rupees. The actual price of the tea set is answer D 100 rupees. If the perimeter of a semicircle protector is 66 centimeter, the diameter of the protector is answer D none of these. A race track in the form of a ring whose inner circumference is 352 meter and outer circumference is 369 meters. The width of the track is answer C 7 meters. A wheel has diameter of 84 centimeter. How many complete revolution it should take cover in 792 meter? Answer C 300. The length of a minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. The area swept by minute hand in 1 minute is answer A 10.26 centimeter square. The metallic solid cube whose edges are 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter are melted and formed into a single cube. The edge of the cube so formed is answer A 12 centimeter. The dimension of a metallic cuboid are 100 centimeter into 18 centimeter into 16 centimeter is melted and recast into a cube. The surface area of the new cube is answer B 38,400 centimeter square. If 4x minus 4x min, 4x power minus x minus 1 is equals to 24, then the value of 2x is answer C 5. Find the value of 343 power minus 2 by 3. Answer is B 1 upon me 49. If x plus 1 upon me x is equals to 6, then the value of x upon me 4 plus 1 upon me x की power 4 is answer C 11 1154. If a plus b is equals to 10 and a square plus b square is equals to 58, then the value of a cube plus b cube is answer C 370 370. If a plus b plus c is equals to 15 and a square plus b square plus c square is equals to 83, then the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3ab abc is answer b 118. if if x की पावर 4 plus x की पावर 3 plus 8 x की पावर 2 plus ax plus b is divisible by x square plus 1, then the value of a and b is answer a. A is equals to 1, b is equals to 7. Solution of x plus b upon में a minus b equals to x minus b upon में a plus b is equals to answer. Answer is c, x minus a. On the graph, the line x is equals to minus 2 does not passes through the point. Answer c, 1 comma 1 minus minus 2. Solutions. Thank you.